Okay, today we have Magic MD698 car scanner, and we are going to test 2015 Nissan X-Trail, and we're going to see what functions it has in this scanner. It's all function full system scanner. So let's see. Nissan. We select the vehicle, Japan. X-Trail. (2015). We can do all systems scanning automatically, so you don't need to select system one by one. Okay, so test. Now it's doing all systems scanning. It's fast. Now it's 50%. Okay, done. So there's no DTC, no fault code. Okay, see how many systems it has in this vehicle. Engine, ABS, meter, PCM, airbag, it's AVC, transmission, EPS, IPDM, CAN gateway, AVM chassis control. Okay, 12 systems, and we're going to see what special function it has in, for example, in engine system. Okay, now let's check in. You can read the system info. Okay, here's the info, and you can read the trouble code. If you have the trouble code, you can clear the trouble codes. Okay, there's no fault code. And here's the data list. You can call it data stream, live data, whatever you want. Main signal, okay. We have main signal, we have all signals. Now we're going to coolant temperature, vehicle speed, battery, ignition timing, engine speed, engine speed, many data list. Okay. The response very fast. Almost same time response. See? Yeah. So you have the graph. See? It's accurate and responds very fast. Okay, and you have the active test. You can call it component test. Now the engine is running, so we don't do the active test. We will do it later. And we'll see what special function it has. Okay, AF sensor. When you have this DTC, you can do this special function, and you can also do VIN registration and throttle position learning. You can call it throttle body adaptation too. Okay, and let's see what else special function it has. And we are going to transmission. Okay, and special function. Okay, we have G sensor calibration. This function is very useful. Okay, let's do some active test, component test. We go to BCM, okay? And we're going to do active test, or we read focus first. Okay, no DTC. Active test. Door lock. Oh, the door is not locked. Okay. See, we're going to do it. Okay, now it's not locked. We're going to lock it. Or lock. See? Click. We're going to unlock it. See? Or lock. And ignition key, buzzer. Now it's off. See the sound? Beep, 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 beep. Okay, off. Okay, the sound is gone. Okay, let's see the front fog lamp signal. Now it's off. See? It's on. Now we're going to turn it off. Okay, now it's off. It's doing great.
Yeah.
Okay, the wiper, the flame wiper, we are going to test it. Low. Off. Okay, that's off. High. Off. Okay. This tool is doing good. And you have a lot of active test here, component test here. Okay, air conditioner, intelligent key. See? Battery saver. Email. Okay.